Hi guys, Steve here from My Leisure Home. Now I'm down on Swift's showground and I'm about to show you the third in the series of the holiday homes Swift have to offer. You'll notice we've gone up a spec in this one, so you can see we've got the apex with the LED lighting just on the exterior, and then we've got this huge door space that allows the light to penetrate through the holiday home. This particular model is a 3-bedroom. They do it in a 2-bedroom version, and you'll notice as we go in, the front end is exactly the same as in a 2-bedroom, but the back end does take a little bit of a knock, but it's a fantastic holiday home. So we've got the grain finish on the exterior cladding with the graphite grey windows, and then as we enter, I'll actually show them, Shane, what we've got in terms of different layouts on here. So the spec would stay the same, but they're just a different layout or size. So I'm going to allow Shane to come in and pan around, take it all in. As soon as you come into this unit, you do see we've gone up a level in specification, certainly. Love the gold. So if you head over to the front door, Shane, we'll wander around it. So you'll note we've got this pointless little cupboard here. Perfect, only what I can think for an ironing board, but it's there. You've got it, it's an option. You've got your 70-30 split fridge and freezer, and I love the handles on all of the appliances that we have surrounding the holiday home. And that scheme runs all the way throughout. So we've also got a good sized oven just there with the hobs. You've got the external extractor above. Really like the contrast above the sink there as well for extra storage. And then a stone finish on the worktops there as well. You've also got your integrated microwave just above that. And then, I haven't mentioned it, but we've got herringbone style vinyl flooring just there. And then as soon as we come into the living area, it turns to carpet. I love the colour scheme throughout the sofa, and it's like a teddy bear style finish. So we've got a wraparound sofa just there, matches the curtains very nicely. And I did mention it earlier, but look at that now. Just imagine being sat overlooking water with your decking just outside the holiday home. That would be absolutely fantastic. So just here you can see we've got a coffee table, and then you've got the buffets either side. Just over here you can see we've got your feature wall with plenty of storage below. You've got the choice of either having your TV up on the wall or on stands as it is there. Then we go over to the dining area. Now this will seat 6 because you've got the buffets behind, but I love the colour again, this scheme running throughout, it really is nice. So that's the front end. As I say, the 2-bedroom version of this will stay exactly the same as this. As we go through to the back end, you'll notice there is a change. So the hallway gets a little bit darker because we have to make space for the 3rd bedroom. 2nd bedroom is very, very nice. It is compact though. So you've still got your USB and C ports, but the bedrooms, or the beds, tend to be that little bit smaller. You've got a mirror image just in there of the previous bedroom. Again, nice finish, but the bedrooms are that little bit smaller to make sure we've got that 3rd bedroom in. As we come to the master bedroom, got plenty of space in here. You've got all the features and fixtures you'd want. Overhead storage, USB and C ports either side of the bed. The bed's an Ottoman bed as well, so you've got extra storage underneath there. There's plenty of storage in this, to be honest. Down at the bottom of the bed, you can see we've got a wardrobe built in. Nice little area here. Now you can use one of the stools from the living area and prompt that there, and then you've got plenty of room there. Somewhere to have a TV mounted. Shane's just going to show you in here. So we've got an ensuite, colour scheme running nicely again. Wash basin, toilet, and then you've also got your mirror there as well. Last room we come to, or Shane will go into now, and that is your main shower room. So it's got everything in there you'd want. You've got a decent sized shower. somewhere to pop your shampoos and things like that. It's bifold door, so if you are a little bit larger, you can get in there a little bit easier. Then you've got your toilet, your wash basin, and everything else. So this holiday home, sited on a My Leisure Home park, 54,997. So it would be perfect to come, if you've got a larger family, this holiday home would tick all the boxes, I think. And we've got the spec there. So you've sort of, in my head, you've moved from a caravan up to a holiday home now, because you've got them extra sort of comforts that you'd expect. So let us know what you think to this. I really, really like it. And for 54,997 sited on Holiday Park, I think it's fantastic. If you want any more information on this holiday home or any of the other ranges we've shown today, give us a call on 01754 252 889 or 07425 77 30 30. Thanks ever so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.